There'll probably be more Optimus robots that are great surgeons.
सर, हाल ही में एक पॉडकास्ट में इलॉन मस्क ने कहा है कि रोबोट सर्जन को रिप्लेस कर देंगे और आगे जाकर मेडिकल स्कूल्स की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी। क्या हम एक ऐसे फ्यूचर की तरफ देख रहे हैं जहां एक मशीन इंसान की सर्जरी करेगी? आपका क्या व्यू है?
So, I will take you back to 90s when we were driving manual cars and suddenly market came with some automatic cars. India didn't had yet. So slowly started we moving toward automatic cars. And then जो अब newer generation cars आ रही हैं, they are fitted with ADAS system, 360-degree cameras, automated drivings and all. So बिल्कुल उसी तरह है सर्जरी भी. When we came from an era of open era to accepting a laparoscopic surgery, then accepting a robotic surgery. Now we are moving towards an artificial intelligence-based surgery. So it is not going to replace humans. This is something which is not going to happen. But what is going to happen is that artificial intelligence will act as a second brain in entire field. Whether it's a surgical room, whether it's an outpatient room, whether it's an outpatient IPD rooms, where it will help in decision making. So what is coming next in surgery is that we will have an AI integrated system where we will be knowing, where we can feed the CT scans and all, and where we'll know कि जब हम सर्जरी कर रहे हैं तो यहाँ पे ब्लड वेसल है, यहाँ पे नर्व है, कितनी डेप्थ है टिश्यू की, कितना डेप्थ में हमें डिसेक्शन करना है. So that all we will come to know. So our surgery will become more with precision. When coming to कि robots will replace surgeons, I don't feel so, because at the end of the day you are the driving car. Even if we are doing, मैं laparoscopy कर रहा हूँ या robot कर रहा हूँ, driving steering तो मेरे पास ही है. So it is not going to happen so easily. But yes, maybe in remote areas for very routine procedures where there are no people, it can help. But again, a patient को एक empathy चाहिए होती है. It needs a counseling, एक pre-operative period, एक post-operative period, उसको देखना, which is completely cannot be replaced by robots.